Hello students, today we will be solving the IB Math A HL May 2025 paper 1 time zone 2 question number 7. You will be getting the solutions for the first 6 questions from this paper and the solutions for the other questions from the other past papers in form of playlists on my channel NS Online Math Tutoring classes. You will also be getting playlists where the solved past paper questions will be available based on their topics. I'm Nilanjana Sanyal. I'm an online IB Math A level tutor. My phone number and my website address are displayed at the bottom of the screen. So without any further delay, let us start to solve the question number 7. The maximum mark is 5. It is given that x to the power of 4 plus px cubed minus 2x squared plus qx minus 3 is exactly divisible by x plus 1 whole square. Find the value of q, p and the value of q where p and q are real numbers. Okay, so there are multiple ways of solving this question. You can use the remainder theorem. You can, because this is a repeated root at x equal to -1, so and x to the power of 4 is a positive term. So if this is, say this is x, this is -1, so the graph shape will be this way. Okay, it will be just touching the x-axis, meeting the x-axis at this -1 point. So this will be a local minimum. So the first derivative will be equal to 0. So there are several ways of solving this question, but I will be using the factors method because this is a polynomial of degree 4, and this, if you expand, it will be x squared plus 2x plus 1. It is a quadratic factor, and if you multiply this quadratic factor with another quadratic factor, you will be getting this quartic expression. Okay, so let p of x, you do not have to name this, but sometimes instead of writing this entire expression, I can use this p of x. I do not know whether I'll be needing this, but that's why I'm writing let p of x equal to, I'm naming this expression, plus px cubed minus 2x squared plus qx minus 3. Okay, so therefore p of x equal to, okay, let the second quadratic factor of p of x be ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so therefore, okay, let me write over here. Therefore, p of x equal to x plus 1 whole square. I'm expanding x squared plus 2x plus 1 and ax squared plus bx plus c. If we multiply these two, we will be getting this expression, a quartic expression. Okay, so this may be 1 and this may be 2. Equating, and now we will be finding the values of a, b and c. So equating the coefficients of x to the power of 4 from 1 and 2, we have 1 x to the power of 4 equal to x squared times ax squared. So it is ax to the power of 4. So we are having the a value as 1. Okay, so similarly, now I can directly go to the constant term. Constant term is -3, and I am seeing the constant term will be 1 times c. So I can get the value of the variable c. So equating the constant terms from 1 and 2, it is minus 3 equal to 1 times C, or minus 3 equal to C. Okay, and now we can take, actually I'm interested in getting the value of B. If I have got the value of A, I have got the value of C. If I can get the value of B, I will be knowing the entire expression of P of X. So my target is to get the value of B. B is the coefficient of X. So, but I am saying that the coefficient of X from this equation is, or expression is Q. So I cannot take the term containing X from this equation 2. What I can take is, I am saying that this negative 2, it is the coefficient of X square. From 1, if we take the coefficient of X square, it will be a number. What can be the coefficient of X square from the equation 2? Equating the coefficients of X square from 1 and 2, it is minus 2 X square from 1. So coefficient is minus 2. And from here, from this equation 2, I'm seeing if you multiply this X square with C, C is minus 3. So you will be having minus 3X square. Okay, first of all, let me write term by term. So it is minus 3X square, so it is minus 3. And also if I multiply this 1 with Ax square, A is 1, so 1 with X square, it will be 1X square, so it is plus 1. And also if I multiply 2x with bx, I'll be getting a term in x square. So it will be 2bx square, so it is plus 2b. Okay, so, and minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, and this side also I'm having minus 2. So this gives us the b value as 0. 2b will be equal to 0, or b is equal to 0. Okay, therefore p of x is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 and x square plus 0x minus 3. So this is equal to x to the power of 4 minus 3x square plus 2x cube minus 6x plus x square and minus 3. So this is x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube minus 3x square plus x square is minus 2x square and minus 6x and minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have combined these two. Okay, fine. So this is the expression of P of X. Okay, and now you see P was the coefficient of X cube and Q was the coefficient of X. So therefore, P is equal to 2 and Q is equal to negative 6. Okay. So we have completely solved this question. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please like and share this video in case you have liked my explanation, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your liking, sharing and subscribing will be really helping me. It will be motivating me. It will be increasing my video reach. So it will be helping me in multiple ways. We meet again very soon when we will be solving question number 8 of the same paper. Till then, bye.